The world of woodcraft is one that has been revered by artisans for centuries, and within this realm, few individuals have created pieces as unique and stunning as Kamal Carpenter. Kamal Carpenter is a master craftsman who has spent years perfecting his artistry, creating some of the most breathtaking woodworking pieces in the industry. His work is an embodiment of precision, skill, and dedication, making him a true artisan in every sense of the word. In this video, we will take you on a journey to discover the artistry and mastery of Kamal Carpenter's work, exploring the intricate and awe-inspiring pieces he has created throughout his career. From the selection of the finest wood materials to the intricate designs and finishes, we will delve into the creative process of one of the most talented woodworking artists of our time. Whether you are a woodworking enthusiast or simply appreciate the beauty of finely crafted pieces, this video will provide an in-depth look at the unparalleled skill and craftsmanship of Kamal Carpenter. 1. The unique woodworking techniques of Kamal. Mastering woodcraft. Unveiling the artistry of Kamal Carpenter's work is a document that reveals the unique woodworking techniques of Kamal. Kamal is an exceptional carpenter who has mastered the art of woodworking with his distinctive approach. In this document, we will delve into Kamal's woodworking techniques, which set him apart from other carpenters. Kamal's woodworking techniques involve using a combination of traditional and modern techniques that he has developed over his years of experience. Kamal's attention to detail and precision in his work is second to none, and he takes great pride in his craft. This document will explore Kamal's unique approaches to shaping, carving, and finishing wood to create stunning pieces of furniture and other wooden objects. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or a beginner, this document will provide valuable insights into the world of woodworking and Kamal's exceptional craftsmanship. 2. Mastery of the craft. Mastery of the craft is an essential element in creating exceptional woodwork that stands out from the rest. In the world of woodworking, Kamal Carpenter is renowned for his ability to create stunning pieces of furniture that are both functional and artistic. Kamal's attention to detail and his deep understanding of the intricacies of woodcraft have allowed him to produce masterpieces that are unparalleled in the industry. Mastery of the craft requires years of dedication, practice, and a deep passion for the art. Kamal has spent countless hours honing his skills, perfecting his techniques, and experimenting with different styles to bring his vision to life. His work is a testament to his mastery of the craft, and it is a source of inspiration for aspiring woodworkers who seek to achieve the same level of excellence in their work. 3. Creativity in furniture design. One of the notable aspects of Kamal Carpenter's work is his creativity in furniture design. He has mastered the art of combining functionality with aesthetic appeal, creating furniture pieces that not only serve their intended purpose, but also add a touch of sophistication to any space. Kamal's approach to furniture design involves incorporating unique shapes, colors, and textures, resulting in pieces that stand out from the norm. He pays attention to detail and ensures that each furniture piece is crafted to perfection, taking into account the proportions, ergonomics, and overall design. Kamal's creativity in furniture design is evident in his use of non-traditional materials such as recycled wood, metal, and glass, which he transforms into beautiful and functional pieces. His innovative designs have earned him a reputation as a skilled and talented woodcraft artist, and his work continues to inspire and captivate furniture enthusiasts worldwide. 4. Attention to detail and precision. When it comes to die crafts, following instructions step by step is crucial for a successful outcome. It can be tempting to skip ahead to what you think is the most exciting part of the project or to take shortcuts, but this can lead to mistakes and frustration. Before you begin any project, take the time to read through the instructions thoroughly and make sure you have all the necessary materials. As you work through each step, double-check that you have completed it correctly before moving on to the next one. Remember, the instructions are there to guide you and ensure that your finished product is the best it can be. So take your time, stay focused, and enjoy the process of creating something beautiful with your own hands. 5. Customize the project to your liking. One of the best things about die crafts is that you have complete control over the final product and can customize it to your liking. This means that you can tailor your projects to match your personal preferences and style. When it comes to customization, the possibilities are truly endless. You can experiment with different colors, textures, and materials to create a unique and personalized finished product that reflects your personality and taste. Additionally, you can modify the size, shape, and design of your die crafts to better suit your needs and preferences. With this level of creative freedom, you can unleash your full potential and create crafts that are truly one, of a kind, and meaningful to you. So go ahead and let your imagination run wild, experimenting with different customization options until you find the perfect fit for your project. 6. Take breaks to avoid burnout. As you dive into the world of die crafts, it's important to remember that creativity can be exhausting. Whether you're working on a big project or just trying out a new technique, it's crucial to take breaks and avoid burnout. Taking a break can help you recharge your creativity and keep you motivated to continue your work. In fact, studies have shown that taking breaks can improve productivity and prevent stress. So make sure to take a few minutes to stretch, go for a walk, or simply step away from your project for a bit. Your mind and body will thank you, and you'll be better equipped to tackle your die crafts with renewed energy and enthusiasm. Remember, taking care of yourself is just as important as the project itself. 7. Display the finished project proudly. Displaying your finished project is an important part of the die crafting process. It not only allows you to showcase your hard work and creativity, but it can also inspire others to try their hand at similar projects. There are many ways to proudly display your finished project, depending on the type of craft and the setting in which it will be displayed. For example, a framed piece of wall art can be hung in a prominent place in your home, while a knitted scarf or hat can be worn outside to show off your handiwork to others. Remember to take pride in your finished project and display it with confidence and enthusiasm. You never know who might be inspired by your work. 8. Share your die achievements online. Sharing your die achievements online is an excellent way to